Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need 2 controllers and 2 signed-in profiles. That's the only gating factor. Once both controllers are connected, sign the second player into an Epic account or local guest. Launch Fortnite and keep yourself in the lobby. Don't open settings. When prompted, press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation to add player 2. This starts the split-screen handshake. You're doing this now to avoid mid-match disconnects and to ensure both players can access their own inventory and loadout. Once both players appear in the lobby, pick a compatible mode like duos or squads because split screen works only in selected Battle Royale modes. Make sure to configure each player's controls and sensitivity separately. Player 2 can change dead zones or button layout without affecting Player 1. Also manage audio mix and voice chat so you can hear both game sound and each other. Once done, double-check HUD spacing and input responsiveness. This prevents you and the second player should ready up together and start the match. Once loaded, each gets their half screen and independent inputs. To exit split screen, return to the lobby and remove the second profile or sign them out. If something goes wrong, here's the key troubleshooting tip. If Player 2's controller isn't detected, power cycle the controller and console, repair the controller, then relog in the second account. That sequence resolves most connectivity and recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.